Welcome viewers. This is question and answer program on chapter 5 of international marketing. The direction is choose the best answer. Question 1. What is the main goal of promotion in international marketing? A. Cut tax. B. Boost image. C. Rise wages. D. Lower price. Answer for this question is B. Boost image. Question number 2. Which tool is not part of the promotion mix? A. Sales force. B. Publicity. C. Production. D. Advertising. The answer for this question is C. Production. Question number 3. What is the currency used for in trade fairs? A. Price tag. B. Entry visa. C. Customs aid. D. Tax roll. Answer for this question is C. Customs aid. Question number 4. What does public relations mainly aim to improve? A. Sales. B. Storage. C. Image. D. Weight. The answer for this question is C. Image. Question number 5. Which media type is least effective in low literacy countries? A. Posters. B. Radio. C. Mail. D. Science. The answer for this question is C. Mail. Question number 6. What is the key challenge in international community? A. Fixed cost. B. Message noise. C. Brand price. D. Trade rate. The answer for this question is C. Brand price. Question number 7. What is a benefit of global advertising? A. Better rules. B. Lower taxes. C. Cost savings. D. Extra channels. The answer for this question is C. Cost savings. Question number 8. Which type of selling involves face-to-face contact? A. Publicity. B. Promotion. C. Direct mail. D. Personal. The answer for this question is D. Personal. Question number 9. Why may globe message fail in a market? A. Poor supply. B. Weak brand. C. Culture gap. D. High price. The answer for this question is C. Culture gap. Question number 10. What is the localized ad mean to reflect? A. Cost rate. B. Local test. C. Global theme. D. Low limit. The answer for this question is the local text. Question number 11. A firm uses a buy one get one free offer. This is dash. A personal. B direct. C promotion. D branding. The answer for this is C promotion. Question number 12. If a firm needs direct feedback, it should use dash. A sales calls. B trade shows. C radio ads. D billboards. The answer for this question is A sales calls. Question number 13. A country lacks strong postal service. Which tool is best avoided? A events. B mail. C trade show. D calls. The answer for this question is B mail. B mail. Question number 14. A salesperson studies a buyer before a meeting. This is dash. A prospecting. B pre-approach. C objection. D closing. The answer for this question is B pre-approach. Question number 15. Which medium works best in rural, low income areas? A magazines. B radio. C email. D flyers. The answer for this question is B radio. Question number 16. What risk comes with standardized advertising? A higher tax. B culture clash. C slow media. D brand loss. The answer for this question is B culture clash. Question number 17. What makes trade shows more useful than direct mail? A wider ads. B central buyers. C easy pricing. D larger staff. The answer for this question is B central buyers. Question number 18. Why do firms use sponsorships globally? A avoid tariffs. B bypass ads. C cut staff. D skip freight. The answer for this question is B bypass ads. Question number 19. A firm faces TV ad limits. What is this best alternative? A billboard. B mail. C sponsorship. D discount. The answer for this question is C sponsorship. Question number 20. A company wanted to enter a market with ad bans and low income. Which mix should it use? A PR and mail. B sponsorship and sales. C trade fair and radio. D print and TV. The answer for this question is C trade fair and radio. This is all about today's presentation. Thank you for attending this program.